Is stress a natural part of life or just a trick of mind? Think about it for a second. From the moment we wake up, we are carrying deadlines, expectations, fears, and an endless to do list. We call it stress, and we believe it's unavoidable. But here's a shocking thought from Osho: stress does not exist. Yes, you heard that right. According to Osho, stress is not real. It's not in your work, not in your relationship, not even in your problems. Stress only exists in one place, that is your mind. And if the mind can create it, the mind can also dissolve it. Sounds unbelievable, right? Stay with me till the end of this video because I am going to share not only Osho's wisdom on stress, but also powerful meditation technique that if you try can dissolve your stress in less than 2 minutes. That's a promise. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, we explore deep spiritual wisdom, practical psychology, and timeless teaching that can change the way you look at life. So, if you ever felt burdened by stress, exams, relationship, job pressure, money issues, then this video is made for you. Before we deep dive, make sure to hit the like button because it really helps the YouTube algorithm push this wisdom to more people who need it. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out the videos that can transform your life. And listen, don't just watch this passively. Be part of the journey. Drop a comment right now telling what's the one thing that gives you the most stress in life. Work, love, money, exams. Write it below because just expressing it first steps to letting it go. Let me tell you a small story. Imagine this. It's Monday morning, the alarm rings, you hit snooze 3 times because honestly, who wants to wake up on a Monday? You finally get out of bed already feeling late. You check your phone, there are 12 unread emails, 5 WhatsApp messages from your boss, and a reminder about that big meeting at 9 am. You rush through brushing your teeth, skip breakfast, and run for work. The traffic is insane. By the time you reach the office, your heart is already pounding. And before you even sit down, your colleague says, "Hey, did you finish that report?" And boom, stress takes over. Now, pause for a moment. What exactly created the stress here? Was it the traffic, the boss, the colleague, or was it your mind? Continuously projecting fear, pressure, and expectation. This, Osho says, is the root of stress. It's never the situation itself. Stress is simply your resistance to the situation. Traffic exists, deadline exists, exam exists, but stress is your reaction. Stress is what you create when you refuse to flow with life as it is. Osho once told a story about a man who came to him saying, "I am so stressed. My life is full of problems. Please give me a way to live without stress." Osho smiled and said, "There are only two kinds of people in this world who live without stress. One, those who are in the graveyard because the dead have no worries, and two, those who are enlightened because they see problem as a part of life, not as enemies." The man was shocked. But Osho continued, "The question is not how to live without problems. The question is, can you live without turning those problems into stress?" This is the key difference. Problems are external, stress is internal. Problems are reality, stress is your illusion. Now, tell me honestly, how many times in your life have you realized that the thing were stressed about never turned out to be as big as you imagined? Exams, interviews, first dates, all overthinking, and in the end, it was never as scary as your mind painted it. That's because stress is 90% imagination and only 10% reality. Now, here's a question for you. If stress is not real, why do we still feel it so strongly? Why does it make our heart beats fast, our stomach tight, and our nights sleepless? The answer lies in how we use our mind. And in the next part of the video, I will reveal exactly what Osho taught about how stress is manufactured inside us and how awareness can make it disappear instantly. But before we move ahead, if you are finding this helpful so far, hit the like button right now. It tells me you are engaged and it tells YouTube this video is worth sharing with more people. And trust me, you don't want to miss the technique I will share later in this video because Osho designed it in such a way that anyone, yes, anyone can dissolve stress in under 2 minutes. So keep watching. So let's get into Osho's core teaching. Osho said, stress is simply the gap between where your mind wants to be and where life actually is. Think about that for a moment. Stress happens when you are in your office, but your mind wants to be at home relaxing. Stress happens when you are in exam hall, but your mind wants to be somewhere safe, not under pressure. Stress happens when you are stuck in traffic, but your mind is already imagining being late, angry, or embarrassed. Stress is not the situation, stress is resistance. And the bigger the gap between reality and expectation, the bigger the stress. Osho used to say, if you flow with life, there is no stress. If you fight life, stress is inevitable. So the question is, how do we stop fighting life? Let me ask you something directly. Have you ever noticed that two people can go through the same situation but responds completely different? For example, two students sit for the same exam. One is panicking, sweating, shaking. The other is calm, smiling, even confident. Two people are stuck in the same traffic jam. One is banging the horn, cursing. The other is listening to the music, enjoying the moment. The situation is the same. The difference is the mindset. So, what does this tell us? Stress is not the traffic, not in the exam, not in the boss. Stress is in you. This is both the bad news and the good news. Bad news because, yes, it's your creation, but good news because if you created it, you can also stop creating it. Isn't that powerful? Osho's solution is very simple, but not always easy awareness. He said, stress is like a shadow. If you shine the light of awareness on it, it disappears instantly. Now, awareness doesn't mean escaping your problems, it doesn't mean running away from work, family, or responsibilities. Awareness means watching your mind. Next time you are stressed, instead of saying, oh no, I'm stressed, just watch. Notice how your breath changes. Notice how your heart beats faster. Notice the thought that come rushing in. The very act of watching creates distance, and in that distance, the stress dissolves. This is the first step Osho taught. Be a watcher of your mind. Don't fight the stress. Don't suppress it. Don't escape it. Just watch it, and you will see it evaporates like mist under the morning sun. Let's make this practical right now. Pause and think, what's the number one situation in your life that gives you the most stress? Is it deadlines at work? Is it money? Is it relationship? Or maybe family pressure? Comment down below right now. Why am I asking you to write it? Because once you name it, you separate it from yourself. You no longer say, I am stressed. You say, this situation is giving me stress. That small shift can already reduce the burden. So type it in the comments, and when you do, you will realize you are not stressed. You are just the observer of stress. Now, here's something radical Osho once said, which might shock you. He said, stress is entertainment for the ego. Yes, he believed that secretly people loving being stressed because it makes them feel important. If you're always busy, always stressed, always overwhelmed, the ego feels like it matters. Think about it. How many times have you heard or even said, I'm so stressed, I'm so busy, I have no time, as if it's a badge of honor? But in reality, all it does is drain your energy and keep you stuck. So Osho's teaching was clear. Don't glorify stress. Don't wear it as an identity. Just drop it by becoming aware. And here's the interesting part. He didn't just talk about awareness. He designed techniques so you can experience this directly. Osho believed that laughter is one of the fastest ways to dissolve stress. He said, if you can laugh totally, stress cannot exist. Here's a simple exercise. Every morning, before you even get out of bed, just sit up and start laughing. It may feel fake at first, but soon it becomes real. Laugh with reason, laugh loudly, laugh from the belly. Do this for 3 minutes. Why does it work? Because stress lives in seriousness. When you laugh, seriousness breaks, the ego loosens, and suddenly stress vanishes like smoke. Osho also created what he called dynamic meditation. This is perfect for the people who feel it too restless to sit quietly. It has 5 stages, but let me simplify it for stress relief. First, breathe chaotically for 1 to 2 minutes, fast, deep, irregular. This shake up your inner tension. Second, let your body move however it wants. Jump, shake, dance, scream, don't control it. Third, suddenly freeze, just stand and still and watch. In these few minutes, something magical happens. The stress that was locked in your body get released, and in the silence after, you feel like empty free. Osho often said, be a watcher of your mind. Here's a short exercise you can do anytime. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath. Watch your thought as if they are cloud passing in the sky. Don't fight them, don't judge them, don't follow them. Just watch. Even 2 minutes of this watching can reduce stress instantly. Because when you are the watcher, you realize you are not the thought, you are the awareness behind the thought. And now, the moment I promised you earlier, the secret 2-minute meditation technique from Osho that can dissolve stress almost instantly. So, here it is. First, close your eyes wherever you are. Second, inhale deeply through your nose. Third, hold your breath for just a few seconds, and as you hold it, bring all your awareness inside your body. Fourth, now exhale slowly through your mouth, and as you exhale, imagine all the stress flowing out with your breath. Repeat this 3 times, just 3 times. Osho said, breathe is bridge between body and mind. If you can control the bridge, you can dissolve the illusion of stress. Try this right now while watching. You will be surprised how light you feel, even in just a couple of minutes. So, what's the ultimate secret of living without stress? Osho's answer was beautifully simple. Stop trying to control life, start living it. He said, life is not a problem to be solved, it is a mystery to be lived. When you drop control, when you flow with life instead of resisting it, stress cannot survive. Yes, challenges will come, yes, problem will come, but you will not turn them into stress. You will meet them with awareness, with laughter, with love. And that is real freedom. This is real peace. If this video gave you even a little peace, then don't keep it to yourself. Hit the like button because it helps me more people discover this message. Share this video with a friend or family member who you know is struggling with stress. It might just change their life. And most importantly, hit subscribe with the bell icon because in the next video we are going deep into another powerful Osho teaching that will simply complete change the way you look at happiness and success. Remember, stress is not in life. Stress is in your resistance to life. Drop the resistance and suddenly you are free. Thank you for watching. Stay aware, stay free, and I will see you in the next video.